My last four videos have focused on how to communicate your new identity as a civilian. Yes, as you plan for your new career in civilian life, you have to understand the importance of having a marketing mindset and the art of personal branding. This is Gary Rohmann, the Veterans Coach, and today's veteran tip is your personal brand, part two. Well, there's a lot of marketers out there. And contrary to some of the things they talk about, that you got to have a logo, got to have color, and you got to have a good picture. Now, those are important, but those are not the essential elements of being able to brand yourself um, as, as a civilian in your new professional career. As my previous videos have emphasized, your marketing mindset has to focus on being relevant, being authentic, being noticeable, and differentiated from others that you will be competing with in the marketplace. Your personal brand consists of the following five main things. Number one is your professional introduction. I personally believe that's the most important one. How you introduce yourself, how you connect with others, your ability to connect your value, your ability to convey an authentic personality. That all goes into a professional introduction. I really like Maya Angelou's quote. She says, people will forget your name, they will forget what you've done, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Your professional introduction is so important. Number two, it's your resume. And your resume needs to be done in a very professional manner. It needs to be targeted to the job you're applying for. Many veterans don't understand the importance of targeting your resume. It's got to separate yourself from others of the hundreds of resumes that are submitted for one particular job. You got to have your skills in there, especially your transferable skills, and as well as your professional experience. Number three, your achievement statements. Again, these are achievements that will separate you from others, and you will summarize those based so that an employer will readily know that you can make the difference within their organization. Number four, how you utilize social media. Now, I know there's a lot of different thinking about social media, but the first thing you got to do is evaluate your social media. All the platforms you're on, check them out. Are they helping you or are they hurting you? You've got to evaluate that. And then secondly, you got to then think about which platform will you use to promote your professional career. And I highly recommend LinkedIn. And then finally, the fifth one, your network. You know, that is your life raft. That is your safety line. The more you connect with people, the more that you will have people in your network that will help you connect the dots. And that's where the jobs are at. 75% of jobs out there are found in a network. So your assignment is really explore networking activities and improve your overall network. As always, please remember, you don't have to travel alone. Reach out. I can help. I'm Gary Rohmann, the Veterans Coach.